We have trouble believing of a meal that isn't made better by a clove of garlic or two. It's a great way to add some extra flavor to a dish, and it's used all over the world. But did you know that garlic isn't just great to be used in the kitchen but also in the bedroom? Garlic usually isn't helpful when it comes to bedroom action, but that's not the kind of action we are talking about. Garlic. Historically, garlic was used for a lot of different things. The most frequent use was and still is in cooking dishes, but other, more bizarre uses were to combat vermin and to chase away demons. Even though the latter was pure superstition, there are a lot of people who believe that garlic has protective properties. It is true that garlic has some amazing benefits, both when you eat them and when you just have them in the room. One of these uses is in the bedroom, and no, you won't scare away your loved ones with this trick. Calming effect. You're going to sleep much more soundly and calmly with a clove of garlic under your pillow. We admit this sounds a bit weird, but the sulfurous substances in garlic combined with the aroma have a calming effect on you. The smell of the garlic will reach through the pillow a little bit, which helps you to fall asleep more easily. Plus, it'll also improve the quality of your sleep. In other words, you sleep quicker and deeper. What more do you want? Put 1 or 2 cloves, including peel, under your pillow and you'll notice the effect. You'll sleep like a baby, and don't worry, your bedroom won't smell of garlic when you wake up the next morning, and neither will you. Everyone will still want to sit next to you. Drink up. Garlic is great for other things as well. Having trouble with your stomach, like stomach acid, drink a glass of water with a bit of fresh garlic added to it. You can also try some garlic when you find it difficult to fall asleep. Crush a garlic clove, add it to a glass with some warm milk and honey and drink it. The concoctions taste gross, but it does help.